If CapCut is giving you problems and you want to fix it fast, this video will walk you through 3 simple steps that solve a lot of common issues. We'll start by checking your connection, then clearing the CapCut cache, and finally restarting the app the right way. These quick fixes can help when CapCut is loading slowly, not opening properly, or just acting glitchy. If this video helps you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. First, check your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is stable and working properly. If your connection is weak or dropping in and out, CapCut may not be able to connect to its servers. And if you're using a school or work Wi-Fi, that network might be blocking CapCut or limiting access. In that case, try switching to mobile data or another trusted network to see if the issue goes away. Sometimes the problem is not the app at all, but just the network connection behind it. Next, clear the CapCut cache. Open CapCut and go to the settings area. Look for the draft section, and under that, you should see the cache size. Tap the delete icon next to the cache size to clear it. This can remove temporary files that may be causing the app to lag, freeze, or behave unexpectedly. Clearing the cache is one of the easiest ways to refresh the app without deleting your projects or starting over. After that, fully restart CapCut. Don't just minimize the app. Close it completely from your recent apps, then open it again. A full restart can help CapCut reload properly and fix small glitches that build up during use. If the app was stuck, unresponsive, or not updating correctly, this step often makes a big difference. So to recap, first check your connection, then clear the cache, and finally restart the app. These 3 steps solve many CapCut issues quickly and safely. If this video helped, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.